Just ignore the stinkiness.
Oh man, you all good.
I'm gonna give you a little your window down. I'm gonna give you a little your window up.
Okay, you done changed up since the last time I seen you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
They hot, they stinky, just so you know.
Oh yeah, that's how it go. That's how it go.
Miss Mary, I'm sipping big butt.
Man, you did some things that time. I remember you had the seatbelt there first, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's about time to come on to the front. Y'all know who it is, man. I'm gonna tag them down in the video, man. Let them know where they can find you at. On social media, let them know.
That's Thomas Bumpin' Tahoe Strickland on Facebook, Bumpin' Ugly Tahoe on TikTok and YouTube, which I'm just now starting my YouTube.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get them up there.
And Thomas Bumpin' Tahoe Strickland on Instagram as well.
Okay, y'all know I'm gonna tag them down, but that was good seeing you, bro.
I appreciate
we'll do
you.
it again, man. You been at Sundown?